Seniors, if your legs feel weaker lately, this is probably why. It's not just age, it's what you're eating every day without realizing it. Some foods slowly help your muscles stay strong, others do nothing. And if you're missing the right ones, your legs start paying the price. The good news is that it is fixable. Here are 6 foods that actually make a difference. 1. Sweet potatoes. Every time you move, your muscles need to repair themselves. If they don't repair properly, they slowly get weaker. Sweet potatoes help with that. They're high in vitamin A and potassium, which support muscle recovery, reduce inflammation, and help prevent cramps. They also give you steady energy so your legs don't feel drained halfway through the day. 2. Oats. If your legs get tired quickly, it's usually an energy issue. Oats release energy slowly so your muscles stay fueled longer. They also contain magnesium and iron, which help with circulation and muscle function. That means better stamina and less fatigue. 3. Avocados. A lot of leg weakness comes from inflammation you don't even notice. Avocados help reduce that. They're packed with healthy fats and potassium, which support muscle contractions and reduce stiffness. They also protect your muscles from long-term damage. 4. Berries. Your muscles are constantly breaking down from stress and aging. Berries help slow that down. They're full of antioxidants that protect muscle tissue and keep your joints flexible. They also support brain function, which helps with coordination and balance. 5. Salmon. If your body isn't rebuilding muscle properly, strength starts to drop. Salmon gives you high-quality protein and omega-3s, which help repair muscle and reduce inflammation. It also improves blood flow, so your muscles get more oxygen and nutrients. 6. Eggs. Eggs are one of the simplest ways to support muscle strength. They contain all the amino acids your body needs, plus vitamin D for muscle function and balance. They also help your brain and muscles communicate better, which keeps your movements stable. If your legs are getting weaker, don't ignore it. It usually starts small and then gets worse, but giving your body the right foods consistently can make a real difference.